want to show you these acrylic picture holders. So it comes with 6 of the big ones and 4 of the little ones. They all have this plastic film on both sides, so you would have to take it off. Once you take off the film, it's clear. So you could put books, CDs, pictures, anything you want to display. Use them as centerpieces around the house. So in this case, I'm just using pictures. So here's the big one, and here's the little holder. So this picture you could put sideways, and put that one the long ways, or vice versa, depending how you want it to look. That one covers the whole frame. So there you go, really nice. Easy to set up, just take off the film and they're ready to go. There you go.